guide you to rewatch Instagram video messages. So let's go to Instagram, click on this message icon, and here you can go to the messages and see I have sent a video from another of my account to this account. So now I'll show you two ways. So if I tap on this video, and if you see that spark over their video or the photo, that means that photo or the video can be viewed only once. And see here that one number will be appeared over the view once. So if I tap on this video, I can see this, and if I try to screenshot it, then it will be screenshotted like this. And this is how you can rewatch Instagram video messages. So if you need to again watch that, you can go for the screen recording, or otherwise you can go for the screenshot. So if they have given you only view once, then you can view only once. If they given allow replay, then you can view twice. This is how you can rewatch Instagram video messages. Thank you.